Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Lenovo Legion Pro 5i 16-inch gaming laptop, a machine built for serious performance in 2026. Under the hood, it's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX with 24 cores and boost speeds up to 5.4 GHz, paired with the RTX 5070 Ti featuring 12 GB of GDDR7 VRAM. That combination delivers excellent performance in modern AAA games and demanding creative workloads. The 16-inch OLED WQXGA display is a standout feature. With a 240Hz refresh rate, HDR 1000 support, and Dolby Vision, visuals look incredibly sharp, smooth, and vibrant. Fast-paced gameplay feels fluid, and darker scenes show impressive contrast and depth. You also get 32 GB of DDR, 5 RAM, and a 1TB Gen 4 SSD, making multitasking, file transfers, and game loading extremely quick. The RGB keyboard feels responsive, and the 5MP webcam with eShutter is a nice addition for calls and streaming. Now, the large power adapter isn't the most travel-friendly, but considering the performance inside, that trade-off makes sense. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Pro 5i delivers elite speed, stunning visuals, and high-end hardware in a powerful all-around gaming laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.